How to make a proper pork Sunday roast. Start with a joint of pork, put holes in the bottom of it. You're going to stuff this with some sliced garlic, rosemary and bay leaf. On the base of this you want some carrot, onion and apple. Cut them all up roughly and put your pork on top of that. You want to make sure the skin of your pork has been scored and salted. Then you want to make sure it's as dry as possible before you season it again and rub in some oil. This can be any plain vegetable oil or olive oil, that's fine. Put that in the oven on high for 20 minutes, reducing it to a lower heat for an hour and a half. In the meantime, cut up some potatoes, carrots and parsnips, put them on to boil for 8 minutes. Take a jar of goose fat and put that into 2 baking trays and put them in a hot oven. Meanwhile, drain your potatoes and fluff them up round the edges, like so. So we're going to start with the roast potatoes, put them in boiling hot oil. It must be boiling hot, spitting at you. Make sure they're all covered in the oil, and the same with the carrots and parsnips. Meanwhile, take out your pork and put in some wine, chicken stock and corn flour to make your gravy. Next you're going to make Yorkshire puddings. Put oil in the bottom of a muffin tin, put it in a hot oven. To make the Yorkshires you want flour, salt, make a well, add eggs, milk, whisk them up. Then season it. And it should be a slightly thicker consistency. Pour this into your hot oil and put it in a hot oven for about 15 minutes. Slice up your pork, put some broccoli and sweet corn on the hobs. They should take about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, you're going to start plating everything up. That's what your roasties should look like. That is what your carrots and parsnips should look like. Plate everything up. Timing on this is crucial to make sure everything's nice and hot. If it's not hot though, don't worry, because your gravy should keep everything nice and warm. And make sure you put plenty of it on.